Welcome to Canary Gold Hotel Quy Nhon. You can find a convenient QR code or a link in the description for easy booking. This iconic beachfront hotel, built in 2022 and recently renovated in 2023, is located just 1 kilometer from the heart of Quy Nhon. Enjoy a perfect blend of modern comfort and breathtaking views of the South China Sea. With 110 well-appointed rooms, we cater to both leisure and business travelers. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and check-out is by 12 p.m. Families are warmly welcomed, children aged 1 to 6 stay free, making us an ideal choice for family vacations. For your convenience, the airport is just a 40-minute drive away. We offer complimentary breakfast and access to a fitness center to enhance your stay. Unwind and enjoy thoughtfully designed spaces, whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure. Remember, you can book your stay now through the QR code in the video description.